Our relationship with EBI has been a strategic partner in the projects that they complete for us.
Advanced Turning and Manufacturing, a designer and manufacturer of precision parts for military, aerospace, medical, and other industries, needed a precision weld for an extremely complex part.
One of our medical customers has a part that needed some precision welding. This is an implantable part, so very critical. And we found EBI to be a contact that is able to meet all of the specifications for that medical part.
The part required extensive CNC machining, and it had a very challenging finish requirement. Weld splatter had to be eliminated.
We worked with EBI. They were able to meet the customer's specifications and help us walk through how to develop this process for this part. The feedback from EBI was invaluable for our machining side of it. It's a huge impact. Everybody here at Advanced Turning knows it's the most important part we make. It's a life-critical, life-saving part. So everybody here takes it very seriously. And to know that EBI takes it just as seriously is critical. It's a great partnership.
Specializing in advanced technology, electron beam welding, laser hermetic sealing, and TIG welding, EB Industries brings the precision welding expertise and skill needed for even the most demanding parts and applications. EB Industries, precision welding services for mission-critical applications. Learn more at ebindustries.com.